How to change your profile picture on Badoo. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your profile picture on Badoo. So to do that, first of all, open the Badoo app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Badoo account. Now once you're logged into your Badoo account, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will be able to see your current profile picture over here. So if you want to change it, simply tap on this pencil icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, if you already have multiple photos, you can simply tap on the one which you'd like to make your profile picture. After that, tap on the three dots and then tap on the option make profile picture. But in my case, since I only have one photo, in order to change my profile picture, I'll have to simply add another photo. So let me do that real quick. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the photo which you'd like to make your profile picture. Tap on the three dots and there you can see the option make default. Simply tap on it and then it will ask you whether you are really sure you want to set this as your profile photo or not. So simply tap on the option OK and now simply back out. Now if you back out, you can see that your profile picture has been successfully changed. So that is basically how you change your profile picture on Badoo. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.